Darling, you.
Ah, shit. You know what it's like when you meet the girl of your dreams. It's like time stops. Hey yo, she gotta be the sweetest thing. Spent a summer evening with her and she showed me how the heart could sing. I know for certain she's a twinkle in the daddy's eye. Respectfully, I'm pulled up in the candy coated caddy fly. Excuse me, Mr. Future Father, if the stars align, can I take your daughter to the diner over dinner time? And maybe after that I drive a movie, but I promise I will have her back before it gets too late and you get moody. God is blessing, thank you, Holy Father of a queen. This feels like a dream. Shorty's touch up like a magazine. Head to toe, looking sweeter than a Tootsie Roll. Fancier like Phil Collins' fancy suit studio. We had a groovy flow of conversation while we snacked. Heart racing, blood boiling, thought I'd have a heart attack. Made it through tongue tied a couple times while she tied a cherry stem into a knot right before my eyes. Maybe she's a saint but hasn't been a sinner. And I cop the kiss, post banana splits while I win a dinner. Cuddled up at lovers, look up while the sun was dropping, hoping no one's knocking on the caddy while the boat is rocking. We took it slow, yo, I didn't get the nookie. She was sugar on my tongue, it made sense, her name was Cookie. Well, I hope you're having a good time tonight, Cookie.
I am.
You know I've been itching to get you out of your house and spend some quality time with you.
I know.
So this is real nice. Well, it was a beautiful night. Got her home safe, everything went alright. She wrote down the digits, told me I should call. Thanked me for the phone and said she had a ball. I let her out the way but didn't want her to go. That's when she moved in close and she said real slow, if I don't hear from you by 10 a.m., I'm gonna have a broken heart to find another man. Hey yo, my baby's still the sweetest thing. Every day since the summer night, been saving for a diamond ring. We come to know that we're two peas in a pod. I'm the groovy to her funky, she's a weird to my art. My God, I try to picture life like I ain't never met her. What would this world be like if we were together? We laugh it off and say forget about that crazy notion, cause we can ride it to the coast and swallow by the ocean. Love emotions, a wonderful thing. Can make a man down on his luck, get back up and sing. Or make a woman feel she's walking on the rays of the sun. When she knows a man would die for her, then he is the one. Making plans for the future, that's away the night. Hold her tight, making love until the morning light. Then it's flapjacks, eggs, sunny side of some Sam Cooke. The phonograph spinning, you send me's a good look. Years past, saving money, the assignment, until I had enough to get my baby that dime. I brought it out at Lovers Lookout so God could see. Got on one knee and asked her would she marry me. Cookie, you know you're the sweetest thing in my life. Nothing would